How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm still at home, but I thought I'd take it to a different background, kind of plain, but just something different. Maybe I'll go back to the green screen one day if I stop being lazy. But anyways, I'm bringing you another Royaltie Gem video. Pretty much not an explanation video because I leave all the information in the description for serious people. But just another insight on the outlook of Royaltie Gems. Hope my camera isn't. It's looking crazy, but hopefully it's not too slow or too delayed. If so, we're gonna let it rock. But I want to bring people in the shoes of what's going on with Royaltie Gem and why it's so important to get on the gas right now. For any of you new to marketing, been around marketing like me since 2013, it's pretty much been experiments, so to say. One day we have the Facebook promote button. That's booming for everyone. Then we're doing Facebook ads. We're doing solo ads. We're doing all these tricks and these Jedi moves to get people. The times change every single year. So not too many people can really say they have a specific thing that's really working for them because most of them are doing a variety of things. So when I seen something like Royaltie Gems, even when it first released, I felt a sign of relief because now I actually have something specific I can work on that really works. I can turn on this device and it can broadcast my ad on people's, at the time, Android phone, and it worked. I would go on locations and I knew for a fact people were seeing my ad or my 40 character message at the time because people would type in email addresses that I knew were fake. You can tell somebody around the area was like, I don't know what this is. Let me see what it is. And they'll type in a dumb email address. So I knew that worked. And that alone excited me. Because now, like I said, I have advertising on a whole nother level. When I'm not on the computer, I can still advertise. And that's what I really needed. I don't know what your goals are with this. I don't know if you work. I don't know if you're trying to specifically buy something, catch up on bills. But for the general population, the 1%, doing something like this is about freedom. I take this serious. I look for serious inquiries because I'm really chasing my freedom. I'm not saying any of you are going to jump in with me, makes $9,000, $10,000 a month. I wouldn't make those claims because everyone's different. But I'm saying if you're really serious about chasing financial freedom, like I said, not a specific income, but just not, so to say, having a boss, so to say, using an alarm clock, that's all I'm looking for. But now with Royaltie Gems, like I said, why you should jump on the gas and jump on the gas now. It's a whole different level now. Not only is it virtual, there's no more device. You turn on your gym from your smartphone through the app. You click on, fill out your ad, send it for approval. Once it's approved, like today I had an ad approved within 30 minutes. It's live broadcasting over that area you sent, just like that. Now we started off a 40 character message on only Android devices. Now we're broadcasting on some of the biggest social media sites. A full body ad, title, description, link, pictures. Like I said, on some of your biggest websites, not just social media, other websites as well. And also when you target that specific location, you can target from 1 kilometer to 10 kilometers in circumference. That can go from one city all the way to multiple cities at a time. You can target the biggest events anywhere in the country. You can target, like I said, any street, any store, any restaurant. You can offer big businesses as well as small businesses the chance to do the same. We also have Wi-Fi. And for though I don't really speak on it because I don't use it as much, but as far as the Wi-Fi, what happens is you get the, whether it's in a business or on a smaller scale from your smartphone, you can offer a free Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi pretty much. So when someone opens the phone, they'll see your free Wi-Fi. But in order for them to use it, they have to fill out whether it's their social media or their email. What does that do for you? Free leads. Free leads just from someone using free Wi-Fi. But like I said, I don't like to really ramble about products. We have a product, the product works. I'm just gonna keep throwing these videos out because a lot of people are struggling, but a lot of people have too much pride. A lot of people see me, I'm young. He don't know what he's talking about. He's only been on here for 5 years. He's only been through all the trials and tribulations, lost money, earned money, showed that. He's only restarted his YouTube channel 3 times and still keeps going. But I don't really care about that. I spent 3 years trying to prove, financial freedom is the best. Not working a job is the best. Taking this route is a better option. I don't have time for that, like I said. But like I said, I'm gonna keep digging and keep putting this in your face. I gotta state some facts. But this is just another video. I hope this isn't delayed. I'm kind of pausing because it's seeming a little kind of delayed. But like I always tell people, all my information is in the description. Today might not be your time. Subscribe to the channel. Get us a thumbs up. We will be hitting 1,000 subscribers very soon. Quickly. And comment below if you have any questions. If you don't want to hit my email, don't want to send me a text, call. But if you choose to contact me, make sure you're a serious inquiry. This device obviously will cost money to get started with. It's not going to break your leg, not going to break your arms, not going to break the bank. If you're really serious about doing something like this, you want to have a little bit of money behind you, because I'm not sure what avenue you're going to go. I don't know if you're going to want to do home meetings, or I don't know if you're going to want to get some results as quick as right now. So it depends. But it's not going to cost you, like I said, an arm and a leg. Believe that. When I say that, I mean that. But let me stop pausing. I don't want to make this video too long. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested, even if today is not your day. And stay tuned for more videos.